There was another company I had invested in, I think this was about 4 years ago, in India, called Rain Industries. And this company had borrowed a lot of money, bought plants, taken on a lot of debt. And all those plants, everything else they bought, was barely able to cover the debt service. They weren't really contributing to earnings. And so the market gave no value to like 90% of the assets of the business. So 2 billion in revenue, 200 million market cap, those plants had cyclicality in them, and we were kind of close to hitting bottoms on the cyclicality. If they got to somewhat normal environments, the company could be producing 200 million a year in annual cash flows, and I was paying 200 million for the entire business. And so we bought the stock, and for 2 years it just went straight down. It didn't do anything. The 200 million market cap went to like 160 million. And then in the third year, the earnings came in. They came in at 200 million, and the market cap went to 2 billion. And then now recently again, they hit a patch in their earnings, so it corrected backwards. I think we have like a 2.5 times gain, but we had a 12 times gain at the peak. So the risk and uncertainty is a very interesting thing to have in your toolbox, because equity markets, and especially auction-driven markets, hate uncertainty. And especially there can be businesses where the uncertainty is only for 6 months or only for 9 months, and markets will punish them for that. And so that can give you an edge.